Hello children, welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is games. Dear children, you all loves to play games, right? Whenever you heard the P period in the school time, you are very interested to play on the ground. You are looking very happy on the ground, right? Your interesting and favorite period will be the game period or P period always, right? So dear students, today we are going to learn lesson number 6, that is games we play. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about, first one is games and their types, and the second one is the rules in different games. What are the rules while playing games? And third one is the use of playing games. When you play the games, what are the uses of playing game? And the fourth one is collecting information on games. Okay, now one by one we are going to learn that one. Okay, first we will start with I think. What do you think about it? Children, look at the given picture. Which games are shown in it? Do you like to play any of them? See the picture, children. In this picture, the first girl is playing ring and the second girl is playing with ball, and the next boy is playing skipping, and another boy is playing tennis. Which one you love to do? Think about it, children. Next one is remembering. Do you know what games your grandparents played when they were child? And what about your parents? These are some games they played. See children, these are the some games they have given in the picture. These games may be played by grandparents and your parents. What are those games? Yes, these games are Lagori, Gilli Danda, hopscotch. Hopscotch means kuntebille. Board game, blindfold, and hide and seek. Board game means Ludo, Pagade Aata, Chauka Bara. These all comes in board games. Sitting in one place, you can play. Okay, children. Blindfold means Kanna Muchale Aata. And hide and seek. You know, na children, about hide and seek. Yes. Nowadays also you people used to play, isn't it, children? Next comes your turn. Do you play such games nowadays also? What games do you play? Here are some of them. Dear students, nowadays we are playing these type of games. What are those? Yes, those are cricket, football, video game, and chess. Let us group the games we play. Whatever the games we are playing now, there will be a two groups. What are those? We will going to see. We play some games inside the house or a building. These games are called indoor games. I'll repeat once again. We play some games inside the house or a building. These games are called indoor games. For example, chess, carom, and so on. Whatever the games we played inside the house, that is called indoor games. Some games are played outside the house in the open grounds or playgrounds. They are called outdoor games. Some games are played outside the house in the open grounds or playgrounds. They are called outdoor games. For example, cricket, football, hockey, and so on. Imagine, children, if you are going to play cricket inside the house, then what will happen? Yes, you will break up everything in the house. Isn't it, children? The games which play outside a house, those are called outdoor games. Next will comes understanding. What do you understand by this one? We have learnt about the types of games now. Students, you already learnt now indoor games and outdoor games are types of game. Do you play these games? Do you go for a coaching for some game? Yes, children, are you taking any coaching for these games? Like football, cricket, hockey, skating. Taking any coaching? Yes, every game has a set of rules. For every game, there will be a rule. Dear students, we have seen that indoor games are played inside the house. Some of them are played by a single person only and some are group games. The single person played the games are skipping, video game and so on. And the group games are Ludo, chess and so on. These games you can play in the group only. Outdoor games are played outside the house in the open space. See children, cricket you shouldn't play on the road, okay? You should play in the cricket ground only, right? The place where the games are played is different. For example, some games are played on courts while some are played on the playing field. This means ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಗೇಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸನ್ನು ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಕಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. The number of people who can participate in different games is also different. Tennis is played by 2 or 4 people. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಈಗ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಥವಾ 4 ಜನ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. 2 or 4 members can play in tennis game. But in cricket, how many members will be there? Yes, in one team 11 members will be there. In another team 11 members. Total 22 members will be there. Cricket, hockey, football and kabaddi are team games. They need a fixed number of players in one team. 2 such teams play at a time. One who scores more is the winner. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಹಾಕಿ, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಈ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ 2 ಟೀಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೀಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೇ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರೇ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಗೇಮ್? ಡೂ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಹೂ ಪ್ಲೇ ದಟ್ ಗೇಮ್? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, my favorite game is cricket. I like MS Dhoni most. Like that, who is your favorite? Which is your favorite game? Next one is application. Have you heard the following saying? See children, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. All work and no play make a Jack a dull boy. All play and no work make a jock a mere toy. All play and no work make a jock a mere toy. What is the meaning of this sentence? See children, means all work and no play make a jock a dull boy. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಲ್ಲಾಗೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೀ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೂ ಆಟನೇ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಡಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಜಾಕ್ ಅ ಮಿಯರ್ ಟಾಯ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು, ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರೇನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಥರ, ಆಟಿಕೆ ಥರ. ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀ ಆಟ ಆಟ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ವರ್ಕೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೀವು ಆಟನೂ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. We play games to keep ourselves fit. Understood, children? Given below are the names of some games. Write which of the body parts are used while playing them. One is done for you. Now, the students in one part has given a game's name and another part body part used. Let's see. For playing football, what you need? Yes, you need legs and eyes. For playing football, you need legs and eyes. And cricket, what you need? For playing cricket, what you need? Yes, legs, hands and eyes. Next game is hockey. For this also, you need legs, hands and eyes. And next game is tennis. For playing tennis, you need legs, hands and eyes. For playing carom, what you need? Yes, hands and eyes. And chess, for this also you need hands and eyes. And video game, for playing video game, what you need? Yes, hands and eyes. Dear students, some other benefits of playing games are there. What are the benefits for playing games? Yes, we will going to learn them. Games help us to spend time with others and make new friends. Dear students, whenever we will go outside for play, we will meet new friends, and then we can easily mingle with them. Isn't it, children? Like games help us to spend time with others and make new friends. They teach us to work hard. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಆ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಗೇಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ. And they help us to think better. Dear students, while playing games, we must need brain and mind. So, games help us to think better. Team games help us to work in groups and help one another. Dear students, whenever you are playing team game, you have help one another. Then only you make a goal. Understood, children? You can learn all these things while playing games. These are the benefits of playing games. Do any of your friends fight during games? If we all follow the rules, we can avoid fights during games. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಫೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರೂಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಫೈಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಫೈಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. Dear students, have you heard about the Olympics? Yes, it is the biggest sports event. It is held every 4 years. Many players participate from around the world. Actually, this year in the Japan Olympic is going to held, but it was cancelled because of COVID. It will be postponed to next year. The students, Olympic game is the biggest sport in the world. It is grand and beautiful event. Don't miss that, children. Next one is higher order thinking skill. Many games were played only by rich people in earlier days. In some places, people do not let girls play certain games. Do you think this is right, children? Yes, everybody should be allowed to play the games they like. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬರೀ ರಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶನೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸಿಗೂ ಅವಾಗ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಗೇಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಅದು ಆಡೋ ರೈಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Nowadays, sport quota will be there. If you playing very well, and if you played very well, if you participate state level and national level and international level, you'll get a government job also. Now nowadays everyone has a rights to play every game, and everybody should be allowed to play the games they like. Arif and Amit got hurt while playing. They cannot walk or run. What games can you play with them? Yes, we can play indoor games like board games. Some of the board games are chess, snake and ladders, ludo and so on. Okay children, I hope you all are enjoyed this lesson. Thank you children.